Welcome to this video where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Breath HR Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Click on Install and click on Allow and Install. When you are done with your installation, reload the page. Search for the custom page of the app, click on it, then you're going to see the interface of the app with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to walk you through how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup, no worries, let's walk you through on how to connect these. Click on Start Setup and you'll be required an API key. Let's head over to the account which we've created online. Click on Configure, head over to Settings and click on it. Scroll down to API Setup, click on it. Then you click on Enable API. Toggle on this pop-up right over here, then you click on Enable. Copy your productive API key right over here. Head back to the account and paste. Then click on Complete Setup. And there you go, your app has been successfully set up and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call with the support team. And the last but not the least, the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.